So it is seen that Darius is wrapping a watermelon on Cyrus' belly, and according to Brenda, Cyrus and Darius have to be pregnant for the whole day. And Darius is putting watermelon on Cyrus' belly, and Cyrus wants to see how difficult the pregnancy period is for a woman. And so Cyrus uses watermelon for the belly, and Cyrus is feeling very heavy on the belly. And then Cyrus uses melon on the chest, and Darius also joins the challenge, and Darius also has to be pregnant for the whole day. And then Cyrus and Darius' condition becomes the same. And Darius' weight becomes 215, and Cyrus and Darius get ready for the challenge. And in the first challenge they have to put on shoes, and Darius puts on shoes very easily. But Darius feels very heavy weight on his chest and belly. And then after that it is Cyrus' turn to put on shoes. And Cyrus also has melon and watermelon on his chest and belly. And Cyrus is having difficulty putting on shoes, but then in a few minutes Cyrus does it. And both Cyrus and Darius put on shoes. Then Cyrus and Darius go out of the house. And first of all they want to do a relay race, and in this challenge Cyrus and Darius have to run while pregnant, and Darius wins the race. And then after that Cyrus wants to play one-on-one basketball. And Cyrus and Darius start playing basketball in this condition, and both Cyrus and Darius are trying to take a shot. And in this pregnancy condition it is becoming very difficult for Cyrus and Darius to play basketball. But still Cyrus and Darius continue the challenge, and Cyrus manages to take a shot in basketball, and Darius gets very tired while playing basketball, and Darius gives the win to Cyrus. And Cyrus and Darius have a lot of weight on their bodies, and then Cyrus and Darius come back to the house, and Brenda also has a challenge for them, and the challenge is called getting out of bed. And then in this challenge Cyrus and Darius have to lie on the floor, and due to lying down Darius feels a lot of weight on his belly. Then Brenda has the next challenge for them, and Brenda is holding a dress in her hand for Cyrus and Darius. And then Cyrus and Darius try on the dress, and Cyrus puts it on before Darius. And Cyrus finds the dress fits well, but Darius does not find it fits properly. And then Cyrus and Darius start respecting Brenda a lot because Brenda is also pregnant, and Brenda is going through a very difficult time.